Good evening, everybody. It is Paul. Cheers. It is 8:30 Eastern Time. It is 3 degrees Celsius. It's just starting to snow again. So I'm going to drink a wonderful bottle of 18-year-old Scotch and do a crash course on fork oil change and a Nix kit. So I'm using my 210. 210 has the Nix kit OEM, and my race RSV4 I have the FJR kit or FKR kit, so it's a little different. If you want me to do the FKR kit, I'll be more than happy to, because I have to do it anyways. It's just a little more complicated than the Nix kit. So pre-loosened the cap while it's still in the fork because it's a whole lot easier. So you leave your bottom triple tight, you loosen your top triple because your top triple always puts pressure on your cap anyways. And then it's maybe, I'm gonna say 10 Newton meters for the cap. It's not much pressure on it at all for threading. And then we'll just hand thread this down, drop her down. As you can see, I got my SKFs. I even put them in my 210 just because it's so much nicer. And then in here, there is a locking nut which tightens to the cap. So you have to get a wrench, and it's actually kind of a special tool. I had a friend make it for me. It's basically a fork, and it is the exact same width as that cap in the spacer. So I believe, unofficially, it's about a 17, but my 17 wrenches won't reach in here. If you guys have a 17 wrench that'll reach in, it will work. So you do a 17, your fork in the bottom, and then you put your 17 mil on your preload, and you just unthread the cap. Now this is where it gets a little tricky. Sometimes, once you get it, see the cap's turning, but all we're doing is we're just threading this nut down. So this is where you have to take pressure off the spring, and then that gets your cap off. I can't show you in the picture, but I like using an egg carton to put all my little parts in, but too much work, so I won't use the egg carton to show you. So now we have to pull down on that spring. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. This is that push rod I was talking about that goes inside the cartridge tube, okay? Take it out, set it aside, make sure she doesn't get bent or dirty. And then I'm gonna pause this, and then I will come back once I go get the right tool.